Need to convert a video without installing another program? VLC Media Player can handle basic media conversion right from its built-in menu. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a video, choose an output format, select where to save it, and start the conversion. Let's do it. First, open VLC Media Player. From the top menu, select Media, then choose Convert or Save. This opens the Open Media window, where you can select the video you want to convert. Now click Add and browse to the video file on your computer. Select the file, click Open, and you'll see it listed in the media window. You can then click Convert or Save at the bottom to move to the next screen. Next, you'll see the Convert window. Look for the Profile dropdown. This is where you choose how VLC should encode the new file. Select a profile that matches your goal, such as a common video format. If you're not sure, start with one of VLC's standard video profiles. Now you need to tell VLC where to save the converted video. In the Destination File section, choose a location and enter a file name. Make sure the file name uses the appropriate extension for the profile you've selected. So double-check the destination before starting. Once the profile and destination are ready, click Start. VLC will begin processing the video. You'll see the normal playback interface while the conversion runs, and the progress indicator will move as VLC works through the file. When VLC finishes, open the destination folder you selected earlier. Find the new file and play it to make sure the conversion worked correctly. If everything looks and sounds good, you're done. Yeah, it's that simple. Just remember the basic workflow. Media, convert or save, add your video, choose a profile, set the destination file, and click Start. Also, conversion can take time depending on the video and the settings you choose. And that's how you convert video files with VLC Media Player. You don't need a complicated workflow, just choose the right profile and save location. Give it a try with a sample video first, and you'll be ready to convert more files.